Hey there, Kipsters. Mr. Piazzi here, and we're looking at how you're going to complete your packet of CST released items. You should have 20 by the end of this week, which means on Monday when I collect them, you should have 20 complete. And then by the end of this program, right before the CST, you should have the entire packet of 80 questions complete. I want to make sure it's really clear how you're going to show your work or explanation for your correct answer, as well as explain 2 distractors for every single problem. Shouldn't take that long, but it really should push your understanding to be in a place to really knock out this test in a month. So I'm going to first look at question 1 in your packet, which is talking about scientific notation. It says, which shows 833,000 written in scientific notation. As I'm looking at that, I can see that the answer is C, 8.33 times 10 to the 5th, because if you start where the decimal is and move it 5 places to the right, the number is 833,000. So that's a one-sentence explanation of why that's the correct answer. What I'm really focusing on is the distractors. My favorite distractor in this question is example A, a mistake that a lot of students make. And the reason students pick A is that they see the number of zeros in the number, and that's what they think the exponent should be. So this student who said 8.33 times 10 to the 3rd was looking at the number of zeros in the number 833,000. And that's why they thought it should be 10 to the 3rd. Another distractor that I think students might pick is D. This one's a little harder to see, but I think this might be a simpler mistake, which is this student, rather than looking at the number of zeros, was looking at the number of digits in the number 833,000. So if they think that the decimal is right there, they think, oh, I just have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, and that's why that student might have picked D incorrectly. So there I have an example of an explanation for 2 distractors and a correct answer. It doesn't need to be very neat, but I do want somewhere in your packet to have at least 1 sentence for each of these 3 things for every single question. It can seem like a lot of work, but it really is a great way to push yourself to be ready to do much more than just the CST by the end of the year. Good luck with the rest of your packet. I look forward to reading your answers in a week.